Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make spider diagram in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some data, click and drag on our mouse and go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then go to the all chart. Now I am go to the radar option and choose the spider chart. Now we can see here the radar chart is a spider chart. Now I am select any radar. Click OK. Now I am select the chart and go to the chart design menu. We can see here many style of the chart. You can add any style. Now I am select this. You can change the chart title. Now I am select the chart title and change this. Then select the chart and select the color option. You can change the color of the chart. Now I am select this. Otherwise you can change the layout of the chart using this option. Now I am select this. Now we can see we make a spider diagram in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.